guys, just a short video of how I sew in the push-up bras by using the sewing machine. First of all, you need to find the right size of the push-up bras to fit your crochet garments. In this tutorial, I need to complete this order for my customers, and I'm going to choose size small to sew in, and I bought these from Amazon so you can check them out. They comes in different sizes, S, M, L, XL. If you need something to support the shape, support the items, the tops, so you can use this as an option. Basically, you will need the needles, a few of them, and I will position the garment like this. And the push-up bra comes like in this shape, so I need to find the right side for it. One for the right side and one for the left side. And I will position them like this on the bikinis. You will need the needles to attach the push-up bras with the crochet items, like this. So use the pin for the security. I will use a few of them, and make sure you push it like this and check on the other side. This is the wrong side, and just keep checking on the right side. Try to adjust it. And this is my right side, and I will repeat the other side. The two bras are attached on the crochet piece. Now we need to move to the machine, and I'm using the Singer machine to do the job. And I have also the threads in different colors, so just make sure you choose the right color for your item. In this tutorial, my monokini piece is in white, and I have set up the machine on the zigzag one. The rest of the setup, you can test the machine out by using the small piece of fabric, and then try the machine, and you need to set up the numbers just to make sure that the machine and the garment works fine together. And in this tutorial, I'm not going to go into detail of how to set up the machine, because I want to show you how I attach the push-up bras onto the crochet garments. This is what I normally do. This is the techniques or the method that I choose to use when the customers request a push-up bras and I need to sew this in. You can do it by hand, but with this machine it's a lot faster. And what I'm going to do after we've been set up the machines, and we need to bring the garment and the push-up. I prefer to start from the bottom corner, the bottom right on this one, and just insert it in. Insert both the crochet piece and the push-up bra needs to be underneath of this foot. And to down. After that, you just need to just use the pedals like this one, and just keep going. And I will do the backwards. I will do the reversing. And then just sew in normal. Get the needles out. So I have reached one corner, and now we need to turn. Just put the I don't know what you call this one here. Put the foot up, and then you just turn. I will keep going with the shape of the push-up bras, not the shape of the bras, not the shape of the crochet piece. So I will continue doing this until the other corner. Like this. Foot up, foot down, and make sure you just get the needle out before you reach it, otherwise you can break the needles here. And once you reach the end, you just reverse it and sew it a little bit. Put the foot up and cut out the threads. After you've done one side, and you need to repeat the other side. Alright, so both of the push-up bras got sewn in. So this is the inside of the garment, and here's the outside. And this is just a quick tutorial of how I sew in the push-up bras. It's very easy, very fast. And I really hope you like it, and hopefully it's very useful for some of you guys to add some pads, some push-up bras in like this. Don't forget to check my other videos out, and thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.